Hello guys, welcome back to becoder.com. We are here to continue our Python for beginners course, Python for sololearn with sorry. Let's go to the last video. Yes, it's about season 4. Okay guys, let's go to lesson 22 about season 4 and our course. Okay, let's go. Python for Beginners Season 4 and let's be a minute please. Our last video was about break and continue, okay? So we should talking about this quiz and this project. Okay, let's go. There is some questions for us and said how many lines will be code print. Okay, let's go. While false print loop. Okay, when you actually saw this code in here, this is a while loop here, and in the first, this loop is false because it writes this and it doesn't do never, so it doesn't have any output. So our answer is 0. Fill in the blanks to break the infinite loop when the user enters 0. Okay, so we should say while true x is input, we get the input, and I said if x was equals 0, break. Why? Because when we write this loop is always get the actually number, and when the number from input was 0, actually the program will break and get out. Fill in the blanks to take a number from input and output paths if it's greater than 70. Okay, so grade is int because our input must be int, and we say if grade was bigger than 70, print on pass. What's the output of this code? I is 0, x is 0, while I is smaller than 4. Print I plus x, and then add a number 1 to this I. Okay, this loop repeated several times when the I will be 4. So actually we have what's that? Okay, what is the input? Okay, so in the first time x is 0, then I will be 1. In the second one, x will be 1, I will be 2, and the third time x will be actually 3, and I will be 3, and in the fourth one x will be 3 and 3 6, and then I will be 4. And when the loop will repeat, the program know that I is 4 and can't repeat the loop again, and the program will close and x will be print, that is 6 in here. What is the output of the code if the user enters 9 as input? X is input if x was bigger than 5, and if x was smaller than 8, print x plus 1. For example, if our x was 6, it will print 7, and else so if our x was actually 4, it will print 3. And said, what is the output if our input was 9? Okay, 9 is bigger than 8, and it is bigger than 5. Okay, it is bigger than 5, but it's not smaller than 8. So it isn't in it doesn't in this loop in this condition. It will be here, and it will write 8 in here because it will print x minus 1, and 9 minus 1 is 8. Continue. Okay, we can finish the exam, and it is a project. BMI calculator. Tracking your BMI is useful for a way for checking if you're maintaining a healthy weight. It's calculated using a person's weight and height using this formula: weight divided by height power 2. The result number indicates one of the following categories: underweight less than 18.5, normal more than or equal 18.5 and less than 25, and overweight is more or equal to 25 and less than 30. Obesity is 30 or more. Okay, let's go to write our program. We should have a kilogram in here, and we got this number from input. We should have a height of a person, and we got it from input. And we should calculate this this number, that how is actually the person uh, BMI, and we describe EQ variable, and we say kilogram divided by height powered by 2, and I write it like this: height multiplied by height. And we say if EQ equal smaller or equals by 18.5, it is underweight. And L if EQ was bigger than 18.5 and smaller or equals to 25 is normal. And L if was this, it's overweight. And L if was this, is obesity. Okay, so we should write our conditions and then run our program to know what is out. It was true and finish. Okay, guys, this lesson finished, and this season finished, and now we can go to the next season. So season 4 about control flow is finished right now, and in this video we're talking about this quiz and this project. I wish that was be useful for you. Please like this video and support us. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in next video. Goodbye.